When I started Spanish guitar, everyone told me to learn different scales, modes, to memorize positions up and down the guitar neck. It was confusing and a bit overwhelming. But as I got better, I realized you don't need to worry about all that. So in this video, I'm going to show you one scale that you really need. And I'll show you a few ways to start making some real music with it fast. We'll cover the shape, how to make it sound musical, and a little trick that gives it a stronger flamenco color. Let's start with the shape. When I first started, I tried to learn scales by remembering note names, and it just didn't stick. So instead, I want you to focus on the shape. Don't worry about the names of the notes right now. Go ahead and play this along with me. We're starting on the 6th string. Open, index, ring, open, middle, ring, open, middle, ring, open, middle finger, open, index, ring, open, index, ring. This is called the E Phrygian scale. It uses open fingers, which makes it easier to play, but it also allows us to assign one finger to each fret. There's also a closed version of this scale that doesn't use open strings. The advantage is, of course, you can move up and down the neck. I'll show you how to take that shape anywhere on the neck in a future video. But for now, I just want you to focus on this one. It'll get you sounding Spanish the fastest. If it feels mechanical right now, don't worry, that's normal. For now, just get it under your fingers. So now you've got the shape, but just running it up and down gets boring fast, and your ears start to switch off. So I want to show you a simple pattern that makes it more melodic, and it gives you something you can actually use when you get to this next step. I call it the Spanish melodic pattern. Instead of going up the scale, we're going to start at the top and descend. The pattern is 4 notes down, and then you start 1 note lower, like this. Ring, index, open, 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 and middle. Can you hear how that sounds more musical than just running the scale? It's not a trick, it's just a better way to practice. Your ears stay engaged and your fingers learn the scale, and you end up with a real phrase that you can actually play. Now, let's go ahead and put it to use. You have that basic scale, and we've added a pattern to give it a little more flavor. But you didn't start playing Spanish guitar because you wanted to play exercises, right? You want to play music. I know, because I got pretty tired pretty fast of playing exercises that I thought I should practice. Instead, let's use the scale in a way that sounds like music right away. We're going to play over a chord progression called the Andalusian cadence, one of the most common chord progressions in Spanish guitar. We'll start simple. Just run the scale up and down with the backing track. And don't rush, don't worry about getting every note just in the right place. Here, I'll go ahead and show you what it could sound like. When you're ready, try playing the Spanish melodic pattern over that backing track. Don't try to play the whole thing at once, just pick a part of it and play it. You can also combine it with parts of the regular scale. Here's an example. I'll leave a link in the description to the backing track so you can practice on your own. Now, here's a little trick that will give you an even stronger flamenco flavor when you play. There's an extra note that we can add to the scale. It's called G sharp. You can play it here on the 4th fret of the low E string, and you can also play it here on the 1st fret of the third string, the G string. Listen for a minute. Doesn't that sound even a little more Spanish? Now, you can either use this or the original G note, and you can even use both. The trick is to just try adding it as you play with the backing track and see what sounds good to you. There's no rule here. Just experiment and trust your ear. Let me go ahead and give you a quick example of what it could sound like with the backing track itself. Now you've got the scale, let's go ahead and use it. If you want me to show you how to start improvising with it right away, check out this next video.